You ever look at something you built years ago and think, yeah, it did the job, but it's time for an upgrade? Well, that's exactly what we're doing today. I'm tearing out these old concrete blocks and turning this strawberry patch into something that actually looks as good as it performs. Good morning, my beautiful viewers. This is James Carpenter with Country Living. Today, we're upgrading the strawberry bed that sits right on top of the septic tank. Now, if you've been around here for a while, you know I don't waste space. If there's ground sitting there, we're going to make it productive. This raised bed has been here for years. Originally, I built it using standard masonry blocks. And don't get me wrong, they worked. They held the dirt, supported the plants, and we got strawberries out of it. But let's be honest, they didn't exactly look the part. And over time, you start to realize if you're going to look at something every day, you might as well make it something you're proud of. So today, we're replacing all those concrete blocks with landscaping stone. Now here's the best part, and you all know how I operate. This stone came from the Habitat for Humanity Restore, which means I've got very little money tied up in this project. And that's the whole philosophy right there. Build smart, reuse materials, and get the most value out of everything you touch. We start by pulling out the old concrete blocks, and I'll tell you something, when you tear into an old project, you always wonder, what was I thinking back then? But that's part of the journey. Every project teaches you something. Now we start setting the new stone in place. And this is where things got interesting. These stones fit almost perfectly where the blocks came out. Almost. Now, normally you'd cut stone to make everything line up nice and square. But I don't have a stone saw, so what do? We adapt. I started rearranging the stones, flipping them, rotating them, basically working them like a puzzle until everything came together. And that's why, if you look at the corners, they're all a little different. But here's the thing I want you to take away from this. Everything doesn't have to be perfect to be right. Sometimes good and solid beats perfect and never finished. And I'd rather have a project done, functional and looking good, than sitting around waiting for the perfect tool. Now take a look at this. We went from plain concrete blocks to a natural stone border that actually complements the strawberry patch. It looks cleaner, it looks intentional, and it fits the property. And best of all, it didn't cost much to do. Now I've got a question for you. Would you have cut the stone or done what I did and made it work? And be honest, how many of you have projects where the corners don't match, but you're still proud of it? If you enjoy real-world projects like this, where we solve problems, save money, and make things better, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Because around here, we build smart, we work hard, and we make it happen.